Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs the right way. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a good non-stick pan, a flexible spatula, and a small bowl for whisking. Always start with fresh, high-quality eggs. They make a significant difference in taste and texture. Have your butter or oil ready, perhaps 1 tablespoon, and any seasonings like salt and pepper close at hand. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. For perfect scrambled eggs, crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a splash of milk or cream, about 1 tablespoon, and whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture and let it set for a few seconds. Then, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, stirring slowly until they are just set and still slightly moist. To make sunny-side-up eggs, melt 1 teaspoon of butter in your pan over medium-low heat. Carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the pan, ensuring they don't touch. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the whites are completely set but the yolks remain beautifully runny. For over easy, gently flip the egg with your spatula and cook for an additional 30 seconds. This brief flip sets the top of the yolk while keeping it liquid inside. Mastering poached eggs requires a gentle touch. Fill a pot with about 4 inches of water and bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl first, then gently slide it into the simmering water. Poach for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the whites are firm and the yolk is still wonderfully soft and runny. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain well.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.